Why? You're in now, Mama.
I like this chair. I can swirl around and look and see what everybody's doing.
Nice catch.
Brenzy threw stuff at me. Scotty, what are you working on?
Slicing your throat.
Okay. Can I go poop first?
Yes, but in reality,
That's a nice knife.
Yeah, we'll tell you the story on those.
wrapping the headers.
Header.
So I'm taking my time to make sure that they're wrapped as tight as possible, that they look nice to go on that beautiful engine, so that my lines are as even as possible. Double strapping. And then once I get the last little bit here and the last little bit here, I'll wrap double, then wrap triple, then get to here and wrap quadruple, and then take it directly to the collector and leave you, what, about a 1/4 inch, I think, should be good.
Yeah, if this gets up to here, you're fine.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
And then I'll wrap the
The
other
less
one.
wiggle, the better.
Yeah, of course.
But yeah, it looks good.
And we have our collector gaskets for this?
Not yet.
Okay.
We don't need those for a very long time.
Oh, okay. Do we know what we're doing for an exhaust system for this?
I'm building duals for it. I'm building duals with an X for sure.
Oh, nice.
Brian spec'd that cam for.
Oh, let's do a single exhaust.
No. Let's
Up
like
here, up here, up here.
Unless
Let's
it's
do
like
a single exhaust.
Unless it's like a 5-inch, like a late model.
That would be. That for
I mean, like my car.
She out of the way.
My mom out of the way. Yeah. Are you gonna? You might get crushed by the car, Mama. Can you move like 3 inches this way? There you go. There you go. All right. You're good now, Bernsey.
Holy moly.
Holy moly, huh?
Holy moly.
All right, so Scotty's wrapping.
Well, I'm sure he's good at rapping.
He never wraps anything.
I do have 5 kids, so.
Yes, I know you do.
This is the first time he's wrapped anything in a long time.
Since before my youngest.
Oh, God. Anyway, I'm going to go over here to the motor. So I was just doing a little trial fit action. I did get the wire separators pretty on. I did mount the carb. I've got the air cleaner sitting here. Now this, we're going to mask off the ribs, the chrome, and then shoot the rest blue. The same blue as the engine. That's going to look really good. I think we can remove this bracket. And, yeah, all that. What do you think of that, Bernsey?
I said leave it.
The bracket?
Yeah, because that one's right there.
Okay.
So.
And we could actually take and make something if we needed to make a tensioner or something, like if we couldn't get a belt or something. Or, you know, if the cam's too lumpy and the brakes don't work, we could put a vacuum pump. So that would be a good option. You know what? That's a good idea. Leave it as an option just in case. Yep. But I don't think the cam's too lumpy. I think Brian went because he knows we're going to use stockish trans, et cetera, et cetera. Yeah, that needs a little paint, and that's going to go in there. I do have the correct one for here coming. It's that dual pin. We pulled the old one. I'm not going to trust the old one.
Okay.
But we'll do the compressor later. Scotty's going to pull that out after he's done with the headers. We'll set the headers on. We just got to mock everything up, make it pretty. I got to pull this out. I have the fitting for here. I'm going to pull that out so I can get ready to run my AN line. I think it'll come down.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to do a straight here. I'm thinking I might do a hard line with AN ends because I have the tool to do it.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think of that? Hey, Scotty.
Sir.
Should I do a braided fuel line from the pump to the carb, or should I build a hard line with AN fittings on the ends? I think that'd be sexy.
I'd say flip a coin, because either one of those ideas I think is absolutely wonderful. Like, legitimately, I do.
Okay, so we'll...
if you're gonna do the hard line and bend it, it's got to be flawless.
Oh, it will be. Remember the one Wick and I did for the GTO?
Yeah, that's
That
true.
took us like 3 days, but it's perfect. We made one that doesn't exist, and it's perfect. Yeah, but anyway, so we'll discuss that. We can do that, figure that out. But yeah, we got stuff coming together. Got some bolts that need to be painted, we talked about. Get that done. We need a spacer for back here, right, Bernsey?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll get a spacer in there. Nothing crazy. Everything's coming along nice. Me likey.